Hello guys, what's up? As you all know that everything touched the ground due to this pandemic outbreak for the world economy as well as the education sector. So in this video I have covered three major impacts which affect the decision of every MBA students. So welcome to my YouTube channel Entrance Talks, and I would make a request, please subscribe it if you don't and press the bell icon button for never miss any update. Let's start with the first impact, which is campus placement. Guys, as we all know that it's a worldwide pandemic, not for a state or any particular country. If I talking about the placement of Premier B school, so they had already completing this phase in the month of December or January at max. But what about the other B schools who belongs to tier 2 and tier 3 type of colleges where the placement session does not complete till the month of June, July of every year? So the students who belongs to these type of colleges are struggling too for finding a good job right now. The placement in midway in these colleges, some students are got placed, some are not, but they also worried who got placed because lots of MNCs withdraw their offer letter to the placed students due to this pandemic loss. And second impact is break the dream of international exposure. It might be in terms of international placement, internship or any educational tour. If I'm taking here recent example, so US Embassy one of the best example because they changed their visa policy recently and make boundaries for students as well as the business peoples. After the end up of this pandemic outbreak, every nation will go revive their international policies as US concerned. So there is uncertainty for those students who wants to make their career in international MBA by preparing through the GMAT or GRE and IELTS type of exams. And due to this visa policy changes, competition will increase, boss, definitely increase. You might have seen some high spike in MBA application this year as well as next year. But again, this competition will increase only for Premier B schools. And it always well considered when economy recession, then go for invest in education. And third one is, should you join 2020 batch or not? Guys, with this global pandemic, lots of business schools taking admission and offering you virtual as well as online classes to you. It might be continue for upcoming 2 to 3 months. We can say that August and September at max. What do you mean by MBA? Because MBA is not kind of a degree. You are going to do an MBA for better corporate connect, learning enhancement and placement opportunities. And if I am talking about the ROI factor, so ROI factor is the one of the most factor for to do an MBA. So totally MBA students required practical exposure, expert sessions, student diversification and different concept of the problem as well as finding solution together. So we can say that it's a team management or teamwork also. So if you are joining MBA this year from any decent college, so you can sacrifice any aspect out of them. So guys, again I recommend, if you get calls by the side of IIMs or IITs and list of top 30 or 40 colleges in India, you can join them. No need to think much more because you will pass out of year 2022 and that time everything will on track. So thank you guys, it's all about today and I hope you will consider this fact for your better career.